Introduction to Astronomy.
Definition of astronomy. The word astronomy is derived from the Greek words astron, meaning star, and nomos, meaning law or culture. So the word astronomy means law of the stars.
Origins of astronomy. Humans have always been fascinated by the sky. Since the beginning of written records, Greeks thought that the perfectly symmetrical motion of the heavens was the resting place of heroes of the great. Some ancient civilizations thought that the heavens held their future in the dance-like movements. All ancient civilizations found it fascinating how mathematics could explain the movement of the stars.
Modern astronomy. Now our knowledge of the heavens has vastly increased since ancient times. There are now several possible explanations for the universe, and a possible future of the universe, and a lot of in-betweens. Let's begin astronomy.